How to fix your TikTok post not eligible for the For You feed. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on what TikTok post not eligible for the For You feed means and how to fix it. Well, if your TikTok video shows not eligible for the For You feed, it means the platform has flagged your content as not suitable for broad recommendations. It is likely due to potential violations of community guidelines, including content that is too sensitive, harmful, or not original enough, or if you are under the age limit for broad recommendations on the For You page. Now, key reasons why a TikTok video might not be eligible for the For You feed is the age restrictions, content violations, lack of originality, low engagement, and account issues. What can you do if your video is not eligible for the For You feed? You can review the community guidelines, check the TikTok guidelines to understand what content is allowed. If possible, you can edit your content to address the issues that might be causing the flag and then upload it again. If you believe your video was wrongly flagged, you can try to appeal the decision through TikTok's support system. If it says flagged content, you will get the option to appeal right away. If not, you can head into settings and privacy, and under it you can go ahead and head into support, and you can see, and from the help center there you can go ahead and appeal the decision. Even if your content isn't on the For You page, you can still build a following by focusing on specific communities and hashtags relevant to your content. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.